All right, fifth grade, lesson 32. I want you to write down all the words that are in green in your math notebook. Okay? Polygons. Here's a chart of a whole bunch of different polygons. So, what is a polygon is the first thing we need. So, write this down. Polygon is a flat shape formed by line segments that close an area. So, it has three requirements. Flat line segments, straight line segments, and it's closed. Those are the three requirements. So every polygon has sides, which would be along the outside here, and a vertex or vertices. Vertices would be the corners. Okay, so number of sides here, 3. Number of vertices would also be 3. For a quadrilateral, right here, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices, 4 corners. So vertices are like corners, and sides are like edges. Okay. Example number 1. This figure is an example of a quadrilateral. Which of these shapes is not a quadrilateral? So looking, here's an example of a quadrilateral. Which one is not a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral, if you look back to our chart, 4 sides. This is in your math book. This would be also a good thing for you to copy down into your notes if you want to pause the video and copy down this chart: triangle, quad, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, decagon, dodecagon. Try to have those memorized so you know how many sides each of those has. So quadrilateral has 4 sides. Which one of these has 4 sides? This one does, and this one does. So this would be the one that is not a quadrilateral. Which of the shapes in choices A to D appear to have perpendicular sides? Perpendicular, remember from last lesson, goes like that. A has perpendicular sides. B does not. C does not. D does not. So just A. A would be the only one. Which of these shapes is not a polygon? Polygon. So if you have that memorized here, or you go back to you have polygons, flat shapes formed by line segments that close in an area. And this asks which of these is not a polygon. So it needs to have flat edges. So A is a polygon. They're all flat. Everything is closed. B is a polygon. Flat sides. Everything closes off. D as well. C is not a polygon. C is not a polygon because the edges are curved. You can't have a curved edge and be a polygon. It has to be flat line segments. So C would be the answer. Which of these shapes appear to have 2 parallel sides? Parallel, like this. D has at least 2 parallel sides. B has a bunch of parallel sides. This side is parallel to this side. This side is parallel to this side. So B is parallel. A does not seem to have any parallel sides. So just D and B. Name each of these polygons. So you need to think, how many sides do they each have? So for A, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So if you look back at your handy chart, 6 sides is a hexagon. So A is hexagon. B has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is a dodecagon. 12 sides. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 would be an octagon. All right, which two triangles below are similar? Similar. So we have congruency. So write down congruent. Same size, same shape. Okay? Same size, same shape. Which two of these triangles up here are similar? B and D are similar, right? They look pretty similar. One's a little bit bigger than the other. They are not congruent, though. They need to be the same size and same shape to be congruent. So in example 4, which two rectangles below are congruent, same size, same shape? Looks to me like C and A are same size, same shape. C is just tilted, which is fine. It can be tilted, that's fine, as long as it's the same size and the same shape. It doesn't matter how it's oriented. So if I have a triangle like this, that's the same size. Oops, same size and same shape as this one. Those two are still congruent. Same size, same shape. They're just arranged differently, which is fine. All right, here is your lesson practice. If you have any questions, please ask me during class.